Alright, so this is the advanced search one. You search up all entitled physical therapy, and it would show up with it in the title. Do the same thing for this one, and it would be in the URL for it. And then you do the at